Hey everyone, welcome back to Trend TV, your go-to place for the latest tech news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Amazfit Falcon Pro, a smartwatch that's turning heads in the fitness and outdoor world. Stick around because we'll cover everything you need to know about its features, design, and most importantly, the release date. The Amazfit Falcon Pro is Amazfit's upcoming flagship smartwatch, aimed at fitness enthusiasts, athletes, and adventurers. Built to combine cutting-edge technology with a rugged design, it's packed with features to help you conquer both your daily workouts and the great outdoors. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Falcon Pro so special. Crafted with a lightweight titanium unibody, this watch is made to endure. It's military-grade certified and water-resistant up to 20 ATM, making it perfect for divers and outdoor enthusiasts. You get a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with sapphire glass protection. It's bright, sharp, and practically scratch-proof. The dual-band GPS ensures pinpoint accuracy even in dense forests or urban areas, making it a must-have for trail runners, hikers, and cyclists. With over 150 sports modes, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and VO2 max analysis, it's like having a personal trainer on your wrist. And don't worry about charging it every day. The Falcon Pro offers up to 14 days of battery life on typical use, so it's ready for your toughest adventures. Powered by the Zepp OS, the Falcon Pro offers seamless integration with popular fitness apps like Strava and Training Peaks. You can also enjoy features like offline music playback, smartphone notifications, and even Bluetooth calling. Now for the part you've been waiting for, the release date. The Amazfit Falcon Pro is expected to launch in early 2025, with an official announcement likely by the end of 2024. While Amazfit hasn't confirmed the pricing yet, we're expecting it to be in the premium range given its advanced features and rugged build. So, is the Amazfit Falcon Pro the ultimate smartwatch for athletes and adventurers? It certainly seems like it. With its rugged design, powerful GPS, and top-tier fitness tracking, it has all the makings of a game-changer in the smartwatch world. That's all for today's video. Are you as excited about the Amazfit Falcon Pro as we are? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.